Hello everyone, welcome to suni'scraftistry. Today I have come up with a DIY video on how to make mini grosgrain flowers at your home. These flowers are very easy to make. For those of you who doesn't know what a grosgrain ribbon is, this is how it looks. It has a lined texture on both the sides. You have both solid colors and printed. Just like satin ribbons, you have all different sizes, half inch, 1 inch, quarter inch, 2 inch, etc. You can use these flowers to decorate your handbags, purses, or photo frames, or your greeting cards, anywhere. Or you can also use them on your dresses as brooches. So let's begin with the process. So in this video, I have taken this color ribbon. This is how the grosgrain looks. And for the leaf, I have taken a green color ribbon. So to make this beautiful flower, we need 1 inch cut pieces, around 7, 1 inch cut piece or green color, 1 piece, a center stone, thread and needle, or you can also use a glue gun if you want, lighter or candle, and a pair of scissors. I've already cut my pieces and kept. So let's begin with the process. Here I have taken one square, which is 1 inch by 1 inch. We are going to fold it into half diagonally like this. Now holding the center tip like this, we have to bring these two ends to the center. So for that, I'll just push them back and hold the center firmly like this. Now bring the end like this, the other end like this. So you should get a shape like this. Now make sure that all the three ends are aligned in a straight line. Now with the help of a tweezer, we will seal the ends. Like this. Okay. Now let's cut this part. Okay, now here what you have to do is you need to hold your tweezer like this. Okay, you need to hold the tweezer like this. Let me zoom a little for you. You should not hold it like this, or you should not completely leave like this. You need to hold it here like this. Okay, now let's seal the ends. Can see the difference? Now you get the shape like this. You can seal it like this, but your petal shape will be very narrow. I want it narrow at the bottom and broad at the top. Fine. Let me quickly finish off all these petals and come back. And I'll show you once again how to do this green color petal. So here I'm done with the rest of the petals. And I'll once again show you how to do with the green color ribbon. So watch carefully. So let's start by first sealing the ends of the ribbon so that it doesn't fray at the ends. Fold it into half. Then bring the other two corners to the center like this. Make sure that all the three are in a straight line. With the help of a tweezer, you seal the end. And let's cut the extra part at the bottom of the petal. Hold the tweezer in the correct position as shown earlier and then seal the end. So with this, we finished all our petals and they are ready to be sealed. So here, let's use a needle and thread to start arranging these flowers. So when you insert the needle, make sure all these three are on the needle. Not just the ends, even the center portion, all the three should be on the needle. So let me quickly sew all these petals. Be very careful when you use your needle, don't poke your finger. arrange all the petals and then make a tight knot. So when you make a knot, let it not be too tight or too loose, just like how I'm showing you. We are selling these handmade flowers, so if any of you are interested in buying them, please check the description box for more details on how you can order them. So after completing the flower, let's attach the center stone. For this you can use glue gun or any glue. Place a little glue at the center and attach the stone. Place the stone carefully at the center of both the flowers. That's it. We are done with our flower. So this is very easy to do at your home. So don't miss trying such beautiful flowers with your own hands at your home. So friends, we have come to an end of our video. So if any of you are interested, don't forget to check our description box on how to order these flowers. If you really liked our videos, please subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends and family, and see you all again in my next video. Until then, stay safe, stay happy, and keep smiling. Thank you and bye.